Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to Azure Beauty for sending me this amazing dip kit. So here I will be showing you everything that it includes along with the 10% off code in the screen, and it will also be linked down below in the description box for you all, along with everything shown in this video if you are interested in purchasing it for yourself. So here I'm just showing you all the items that it includes. I definitely recommend you guys get your hands on a dip kit, but especially a nude one to start off because it's very versatile and you can, when you're starting off with something, it's nice to have the basics before going into the colors, in my personal opinion. So here I'm just showing you all the colors that it brings. And I really enjoyed this dip kit because it had all these beautiful neutrals that you can just create so much with and add on to as well. And before this company reached out to me, Azure Beauty, I had purchased their dip powders in the past. So the fact that they reached out to me various times now, it means a lot to me because I really love this brand and I love the way that their dip powders work. So I'm very grateful and thankful. Thank you so much once again to Azure Beauty. And by the way, here I'm just starting with a simple nail prep. I'm removing the shine from the nails using the standard nail file that the kit brings. Now I'm moving on to some dehydrator. This moves all the oils and dirt from the nails, and then we're moving on to the primer, which is used for long-lasting nails and nail lifting. Now I'm going in and removing the shine from my full coverage nails that I decided to place on. I did put them on off camera using some base coat. I cured them and I supplemented nail glue for that, which is one of my favorite methods to apply nails. These nails, by the way, are from the Attitude Shop. These are the medium coffin full coverage nails. I decided to go with this dip powder, which I showed earlier, number 47, and now I'm just using the base coat, but I decided to use this time around just to do 2 coats and to just do it completely from the top of the cuticle all the way down to the nail instead of starting 3/4 of the nail because they are already full coverage, therefore they already have an apex. So I decided to go for this method and it worked just as fine. So I'm definitely going to be doing this now and implementing it when I use full coverage nails when using a dip powder. So I really love this color. It was like a nude, very beautiful. You guys will see the results, and I just did 2 coats and you guys will see here. And remember to always dust off in between layers. So these are what they look like. As you can see, they're very thick, but that will be fixed. So now we are going in with step 2, which is the activator. This ensures that the nail hardens and is strong, for you can go in with the shaping and filing. So now that that is dry, I'm going in with the nail file and I'm just going to begin the shaping. This is the most important thing when it comes to doing any sort of nail method. So these are what they turned out like. I will show you from the side how beautiful they look. In my opinion, I love them. I love the thickness of them. I love the shape, and I just overall was really happy with the results. Now that I'm done shaping and filing, I'm gonna go in once again with the activator, and this is gonna ensure that the nails are composed together, and when you apply the last step, which is the top coat, it adheres perfectly with no issues. So this is what I'm doing here. I decided to go in with some decals. I chose these flowers and I love how like they ombre as they go down the sheet. So I'm just cutting out the ones that I like, and then I will be soaking them in water for about 10 seconds. So now that they are done soaking, I will now be placing them onto the nail. Now I'm going in with step 3, which is the top coat, and I'm just applying this on all the nails. And when it comes to where I place the decals, I absolutely loved how it distressed the flowers. They looked a bit too perfect for the type of look that I was going for, and you guys will see how beautiful they ended up looking, very distressed. So here I'm just applying the cuticle oil, and this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.